What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Just want to do a quick morning stream as we saw Ethereum trying to push new all-time highs. I was sitting around, you know, I might as well hop on and I'm looking at the charts anyway, so might as well hop on and stream. What's going on, everyone? What is going on? So, as per usual, we start the stream and Bitcoin and Ethereum come back down. What's new, right? What is new? That's the way the cookie friggin' crumbles. That's the way the cookie crumbles. I probably shouldn't have came on. I tend to have that effect on the market. You know what I mean? What's up, Jazz? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good, Jazz. You know, I tend to have that effect on the market. Let's see what happens next, right? Let's see what happens next. Bitcoin's breaking out of a little bit of a possible bull flag here on the 15-minute, guys. The 15-minute looks really, really good for Bitcoin. Obviously, we had a big run up this morning. Let's freaking go. Holy crap, that's loud. Wow. It's too loud for me this morning. Let's freaking go. What's up, Drew? What up, Drew? What up, Drew? What up? What up? What up? But yeah, so Bitcoin, I was watching this earlier. So we got a big run up to the upside. A little bit of a bull flag, right? A little bit of a bull flag here on the 15-minute time frame. Now, guys, it is the 15-minute time frame, so keep that in mind, okay? Be realistic. 15-minute time frame is not always the most accurate time frame, as we like to say. But we broke up. We actually got recently as high as almost 64,000. So we got to pull back. This just might be a back test, right? This might be a back test of the flag before we get that true run to the upside. I don't think Bitcoin is done today. I think it has more moves to the upside. Hopefully we can see a little bit on stream here. I do think that we're going to be seeing a good day today. I just have that gut feeling for multiple different reasons, guys. So the 4 hour, oh man, the 4 hour looks absolutely beautiful. Okay. Now, guys, this wedge has played out consistently, right? Our falling wedges have played out consistently, calling every single dip bottom. I mean, we called this dip bottom with the wedge. We called this dip bottom with the wedge. We called this dip bottom with the wedge. Played out every single time, and we got that breakout out of the wedge. We back tested for a little bit longer than we thought, right? We thought maybe we got one initial back test and then move up. Well, we actually back tested it twice and eventually moved up, as well as breaking out of a little bit of a sort of an inverse head and shoulders here on the 4 hour. So 4 hours looking really, really good to get that continuation up to our eventual target back up at $67,000, right? $67,000. Jazz, you got to go. Peace. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. We are going to zero. Stop the stream. It's too late now. I've already went into that. And guys, Ethereum, we're playing the pump music for ETH too, my bae. My bae here, right? She's my absolute bae. See this? Ethereum pushing 44.76. Guys, I'm seeing people saying, why is Ethereum lagging? Why is Ethereum lagging? Guys, Ethereum is not lagging, right? Ethereum, if anything, is just, I mean, it's been moving up already very, very well. You know, the last couple weeks, last month or so, it's moved up very, very well. And now it's just getting to price discovery mode. So, you know, as long as Bitcoin continue the uptrend, which we know, I think we all can agree, and probably, I think at least everyone on the channel can agree that Bitcoin's going to continue up. Ethereum is looking really, really good. We know what happened last time. Ethereum got into price discovery mode, but it was just going off, right? We kept calling pullbacks. You know, I remember 2,500, 3K, 3,500, 4K, right? And we just never got that pullback, right? I'm not going to say that same thing's going to happen again, but when Ethereum gets hot, Ethereum gets real hot, right? She's hot right now. She was hot last night. Let me tell you, why do you think she pumped this morning? Okay. You know, this morning was a little bit better. That's why, you know, she's pumping this morning instead. But man, she's looking real good right now. So 44.78, 4 hours looking great. Daily is looking real juicy. Once again, maybe another highest high on the daily close tonight if we can continue up in this fashion. But ETH is looking real juicy as well, guys. You know, I'm seeing this ETH is lagging crap, and I look at the weekly and I'm like, bro, do you see the weekly chart? Ethereum is not lagging at all. Okay, it's not lagging at all. It's actually quite beautiful. 4 green weeks in a row as of now. Obviously, we still got a long week to go. We got a long week to go, but look at the weekly for Ethereum here. I mean, it's actually quite beautiful if you asked me. I think a lot of things are beautiful though. So, I mean, it's not like that's anything new. I think I say everything is beautiful, right? Bitcoin 63,380, you know? I'm telling you, bro, this could just been the back test and we get that continuation up. I'm feeling confident today. I'm feeling real confident today. It's not because we pumped this morning. It's just the fact that we broke out of, you know, not only this wedge, but you could also extend this out into some type of flag that we also broke out of too. So any way you look at this, I mean, it's a bullish breakout, you know? So, I'm excited. I'm excited what's going to happen the rest of the day. I really am. I really am. Anything else you want to look at here? Well, like I said, we're 2 days late on plan B, by the way, guys. Look at the total market cap too. Total market cap broke out of the little inverse head and shoulders we were watching yesterday, right? Why do you think the majority of the market is pumping right now? Total market cap smashed this resistance, and we were watching this inverse head and shoulders on the total market cap and said if this broke out, we could see a move up to potentially 2.88 trillion, and we're getting that move right now, right? We're seeing Bitcoin pump, we're seeing Ethereum pump. Obviously, those are that's the, I'd say the majority, but a good portion of the market cap. So that's another 6% move or so out of this nice little inverse head and shoulders onto the total market cap on the 4 hour. That is looking real juicy for Bitcoin and ETH as well. So many things kind of correlating right now, but we're looking good. Savvy's beerful. Savvy is always freaking beerful, man. We've gone over this. Huh? Bro. Oh, I don't have that. God, I don't have that on this. Man. I gotta transfer that over. I meant to say nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You know? Cardano. Ramdi said Cardano crying face. I mean, Cardano's not, Cardano actually might be breaking up too, though. What we know with Cardano is it's one of those things that, you know, we could be breaking up, but we gotta wait for that. We gotta wait for that actual move. We've been tricked by Cardano before. This isn't a huge move, but at least we are trying to get a move up for Cardano at the very least here. At the very least. That's all we can hope for. And that's what we're getting, right? We're sitting at $2. Cardano is you might as well use Cardano as a stable coin now, right? What do you guys think? Would you rather use Cardano as a stable coin or a stable coin as a stable coin? I'm going to say use Cardano as a stable coin. Okay? Nothing has changed. Bruh. JGB said, bruh. Sav filter. Don't move the lines. Oh, I'll move the lines. That's what I do. I guess that's the same what Savvy does. Savvy comes in and goes, nothing has changed. Oh, we broke out. We didn't break out, guys. Guys, we didn't break out. Let me adjust the lines. We can still be bearish, okay? Right here, yeah, you can see the clear downtrend of resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we broke this one, but if we just adjust the line a little bit, we have not broken that resistance yet for Cardano. So, guys, nothing has changed. We are still bearish on Cardano, okay? Nothing has changed. All these trolls in the chat, all these moon boys are going to get wrecked. Wrecked, I tell you. Absolutely wrecked. I always like my favorite thing. I always wonder if new people come in and they're like, "Bro, is this what this guy actually looks like?" You know, and they instantly like leave because they're like, "Wow, this guy looks like a freaking idiot." I wonder how that's people feel when they go into certain streams. What's up, Kennedy? I'm so wrecked. It's awesome. Yeah, I love being wrecked. If this is what wrecked feels like, well, I love being wrecked. I love being wrecked. Bro, I cannot believe you woke up just to act like savvy. Yes, exactly. ADA stablecoin. ADA is a stablecoin, man. It really is.
Will Doge ever pump again? Heart or smiley?
Will Doge ever pump again? Yeah. I mean, it just did the other day. It went up like... Doge went up like freaking... Where's Doge? There it is. Doge had a massive pump the other day. You know, it went from 23 cents up to 33 cents. Definitely pulled back, right? Definitely pulled back. I think a lot of this pump was when Elon said, when someone asked Elon, how much Shiba do you own? And he said none. And I think that's when Doge kind of went off. Maybe it was a little bit before that, but I don't know. I think Doge will continue up, right? As much as we want to, clown some of these meme coins, they'll go up. As long as Bitcoin goes up, the meme coins will have a place. Now, we could be transferring back into what was a little bit of meme coin season, back into Bitcoin and Ethereum season, okay? And we've seen the altcoin dominance drop, right? We've seen the altcoin dominance drop. Or not the altcoin dominance, the Bitcoin dominance drop. It could be time for Bitcoin dominance to rise back up, right? Yeah, we've kind of gone over this in the past that every October and November, Bitcoin has outpaced altcoins. I'm not expecting that to change. You know, the last couple weeks, you had a little bit of a retracement on the Bitcoin dominance. I'm still expecting this to go back up. I'm still expecting Bitcoin to have that next big run up, which, might outpace alts. Might outpace alts for a little bit. But that's what I'm still expecting. Nothing has changed, in my opinion. Nothing has changed. What's up, Mustafa? Chilling, bro. More speculative about XLM being a better stablecoin. That's true. That's true. All right. Let's see. And then Kennedy wants to chart OR token. Look at OR token real quick for Kennedy. OR token. See what's going on, man. OR. Is this the one that's not on here? Wrapped BNB. Yeah, this is the one that's not on here, bro. You know, we'll look at it on CoinMarketCap real quick, I guess. Let's see. Or, not Oreo. Remember that time I looked at Oreo? He's so mad at me. You're like, bro, we didn't mean to look at Oreo. We want to look at OR. I mean, this one is... I can't really tell much from this, to be honest with you. But I can say it's pretty much in a down... it's only been a week. This thing's pretty new, it seems like. So, it's not much you can really take from this, man, to be honest with you. What is this? Smart contracts. Okay. Yeah, there's not too much data on this, to be honest with you, man. You know? All right, let's go back to BTC. Let's get the BTC and ETH chart rocking and rolling here. Let's get ETH over here. Nope. We want ETH over here, and we want Bitcoin over here. There we go. Perfect. That's how we want it. Like that. Let's get ETH over here. Like that. All right. Perfect. There we go. Rocking and rolling. Can we look at Oreo? We can't. No one wants to look at Oreo, man. When do you think a good price to long Bitcoin, Savvy? Jordan Savvy. Bro, I'm not savvy. The best time to long Bitcoin? Yesterday. Yesterday was the best time to long Bitcoin. You know? That's why most of the time, like, the best answer to that question is yesterday. You know, at least in an uptrend. Time in the market beats timing the market. I'll always say that. I'll always say time in the market beats timing the market. Now, don't FOMO. That usually doesn't end up very well if you FOMO. But I would probably say time in the market beats time market. Let's see. He said, I'm cheating on my morning streams with you. I don't know. Who streams in the morning, guys? Who streams in the morning? I don't think anyone really streams at this time. You know, it seems like most people stream at like 1 o'clock. Actually, like 11:30 to 1. I don't think anyone really streams in the morning, as far as I've seen, you know? Come on, BTC and ETH. I hopped on just for you. You're both looking like you're gonna break out. I hop on and you do nothing. Is anything new? No. Isn't anything new now. But I think we're gonna pop up here. I really do. What else is moving? Dude, theta is going nuts. Oh, it was. It pulled back a little bit the other day. But I think theta seems to have this. It has like big days and then it sort of pulls back. But I think theta is getting ready for a move, man. I had this little tingling in my ears about theta, to be honest. Crypto Jeb. I'm doing the same thing, Denise. That's good. That's good. All right, we're just hanging out. I mean, I'm not doing much. I'm just hanging out watching Bitcoin this morning, you know. I mean, like I said, guys, the structure for Bitcoin is so good, right? So good. Just like we talked about, you just want to continue to hold the 20-day exponential. That's what you've been doing. You came back down and tested it once, bounce. Came back down and tested again, bounce, right? Absolutely beautiful. And that's what we're watching for. Everything kind of played out very nicely on this dip. It played out very nicely on this dip. That's exactly what we want to see. Now, if we look at this on the daily time frame, we just got to get over this high right here. You can see we have a wick here from October 22nd, a wick from October 25th, and obviously we just wicked up to it today. Can we break like 63.8? If we can break 63.8, there's a good shot that we could have a quick move back up to 67,000. Because you guys can see here on the daily, there's not much here, right? You went straight up, straight down. Yeah, if you look left, there's a little bit of a wick up here at like 65,000, but there's not much resistance there. And that's what could get exciting, guys, is we just got to get over 63.8. That's the big one. I mean, you can see it clear as day. And look at this on the daily. Like, yeah, it's not perfect, but look at the structure of this on the daily time frame, guys. And we sort of looked at this on the 4-hour, but look at this left shoulder. Okay, look at this head, and look at this right shoulder. Now, the right shoulder didn't come all the way up, but that's fine, right? Look at this right shoulder. Oh, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, we've looked at the breakout target of this on the 4-hour, but, you know, if we can break the neckline, which we said is, you know, 67.8 approximately, I mean, this is going to give us a pretty nice move to the upside. Let's see what the measured move is. Right about 70,000. Right at about 70,000 is the measured move of this on the daily. That is looking really juicy. And hopefully we can get that breakout today. I know a lot of us were like, all right, we want this dip to be over. Holy crap, man. Is this dip going to be over? We've been waiting for so long for this breakout. But there might be today. It might be today. Might not be today, but I think it will be today. I don't know. Just have that feeling. All right, is Bitcoin going for it again? 63.5. Even my taste buds are impressed. Nice. What's up, Shane? Background work listening? Hey, a lot of people just listen to the stream. I think, you know, I guess my stream is kind of made for listening, I guess. We talk about a lot of random stuff and things like that, which is great. Jazz said, I only wished I purchased more Jasmine. Jazz, your name is Jazz, your name is Jazz. Of course you should have bought some more Jasmine, right? I mean, it's literally has your name in the name of the coin. Of course you should have done that, you know? Why so early? No, I'm streaming later still. I wanted to get an early stream. I mean, I was sitting here watching the charts anyways, like I said earlier. Might as well come on and talk to you guys while I'm doing it. I mean, heck, why not? It's more fun to look at the charts with people than not. I think so. I mean, I just think it is. Also, I like to talk too. I kind of certain people. I'm very weird person. So I'm very outgoing with some people and other people I'm not. I guess it depends on how much I like you, I guess. So if I talk a lot, probably usually means I like you. If I don't, probably means I don't. to be honest. What's up, Dimitri? What is the stock RSI telling you on the daily? The stock RSI, if I remember correctly, it was bottomed out. It was bottomed out. And you're getting that bullish cross on the daily stock RSI. And that's bottomed out, looking to run up. And also the daily RSI has room to run up too. So the daily's setting up for a potentially big move to the upside. It has the setup, which is great. Which is great. That's what that's telling me, Dimitri. You know, if this was up here, you might be looking at this move like, all right, maybe this move won't have the juice to get us higher. But the fact that it's bottomed out tells us that we might have some room to get juiced up. You're a good talker. I'm okay talker, I guess. Sometimes I am. It depends on the day. Depends on the day. Like, just like everyone. Like, some days, some people are having a bad day. Some people are having a good day. I mean, the people that watch me every day, can you tell when I'm having a good day, when I'm having a bad day? Can you tell on stream sometimes? Be honest. Like I said, I'm one of the most honest people you'll meet. If I see something I disagree with, I'll freaking tell you. And I like people to do the same thing to me, you know? There's probably some days you're like, wow, Jordan probably not in a very good mood today. You know what I mean? But hey, that's life, man. That's friggin' life. It is what it is. Let's see. All right. Anything else I want to look at here? Where's my Cardano Inu fractal? Is it gone? We're gonna have to redraw it. Let's bring up the Cardano Inu fractal, guys, because the Cardano Inu fractal might be looking kind of juicy. Yes, 100%. He said yes, 100%. Said Clancy. All right, let's bring up the Cardano Inu fractal because we need that right now. We need some Cardano Inu fractal in our life, 100%. Let's see. Let's bring up the bars pattern. Because you're a cryptic. Yes, when ETH has you sleep on the couch. She definitely didn't last night. That's for sure. I was definitely sleeping in the bed last night. That's for sure. All right. Let me Where's my Cardano Inu fractal? Where am I looking? Why am I looking at 2021? All right. Let's see. Let's bring this up and check what's going down in Cardano. Guys, someone made. I didn't do this. Okay. If you see the Cardano Inu fractal around the internet, someone made the Cardano Inu fractal and is spreading it around. I'm telling you right now, it's not me. So if you buy it and it goes down, it's not me. Okay. Someone literally made the Cardano Inu fractal. So just be careful with that. I don't know what the heck is going on with that. It's like, it has like 8 zeros in it. You know what that means. It's not me who made it. Okay. But Cardano Inu fractal, guys, you know, we can't get too overzealous here, but like we said, I think we're right here. You know, I think we are right here in the fractal, man. It's played out perfectly. Look at this dip. Oh, beautiful. Look at this dip. Beautiful. Look at this little consolidation. Beautiful. Next up, well, could we get that move up to like 85,000 or so? We certainly could. We certainly freaking could. And if it happens, well, I'm going to be pretty happy. I'm going to be a pretty happy man. I can't find Cardano Inu. Someone did it. Someone did it. Matic is breaking out a symmetrical triangle. We'll take a look. Yeah, but guys, I think we're right. I think we're right here, bro. I think today's going to be a decent day. It already has been. But I think we're right at this candle right here. I think this is where we are. Right here. You know, I think that's the candle we're at. Which, you know, is going to be a pretty juicier candle if we do continue up in that fashion. So, man, let's hope we're doing it. That fractal works. It works, bro. Where's the crypto thumbnail? Later. Tonight's stream, I'll do the crypto thumbnail. I got you. I'm not going to forget. All right? I'm definitely not going to forget. New moon tomorrow? Let's hope. Let's hope that has some type of catalyst. Someone's saying Matic's breaking out. Let's see. Matic's already been killing it. Let's see, Matic. Symmetrical triangle breakout. Let's zoom in a little bit more here on Captain Matic and see what's going down. Ada Inu. Imagine if someone made Ada Inu and they were like, we made Ada Inu because Ada's not moving and we needed some type of way to pump up Cardano, and the only way is to make a meme coin out of it. You know? That would be a pretty good idea, honestly. They should do that. Make Ada Inu. Yeah, it looks like Matic might be breaking out here. A little shorter term, symmetrical triangle. Might be getting that breakout. A lot of things are getting breakouts right now. A lot of things are getting breakouts right as we speak. So, yeah, this could be breaking out. Target for this would be swing low to swing high. I always say swing low to swing high, and I always say swing low to swing high, but I always start at the top and go to the bottom. You know, I don't know what's wrong with me, man. Someone probably knows what's wrong with me. Breakout target would be about $2.11 if this was to break out the way we want it to. It has. Let's see if we get the juice, as we always like to say. We need to get the juice for Matic. Yep. Well, Matic's been killing it lately. Anyway, so I'm not too worried about Matic. Not too worried. What is Bitcoin doing? Let's zoom in a little bit on BTC. This is the 15-minute. We're already so zoomed in. Go to the 15-minute on ETH. Little 15-minute on ETH. Bearish divergence on the 15-minute. Let's see what happens here, man. Captain ETH is... I don't know what ETH is doing at the moment, man. What's up, Aaron? Guys, did this morning stream pop up on your home screen / your subscriber feed? Let me know. I know yesterday's stream was hard to find for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. Yesterday's stream was hard to find. I really don't. Did today's stream pop up on your home screen / notifications? Just so I know. If not, I'll have to hit up my YouTube guy. But it is what it is. Good morning, Jordan, and all fellow crypto family. What's up, Joe? What's going on, Joe? Yeah, I was there today. Nice. All right. Yeah, popped up my home screen. All right, cool. It popped up for most people. That's what I want to see. Yesterday, it didn't. People were saying, Jordan, I couldn't find your stream yesterday. It is what it is. I mean, YouTube does that sometimes. If you can't control something in life, forget about it. You know, don't forget about it. But there's nothing you can do. Move on. Do your thing. It'll fix itself. So hopefully today it fixed itself, which is good. All right. What else should we look at, guys? What else should we look at? Algo. I was trying to move up earlier, but hasn't really got much. I just scored Jordan. Nothing wrong with you? Oh, thank you, Ralph. I appreciate it, man. It's a nice thing to say, man. Very, very nice thing to say. Jordan Bull. Check out Altura, said D. Kennedy. Crypto Lifer, usually on at 10 a.m. Crypto Lifer. Never watched Crypto Lifer. I don't know who that is, man. To be honest with you. The Crypto Lifer. I can't say I have.
Nope.
All right, let's see. Alu. Let's see. Wait, is it Altura? Altura. I don't want it on this chart. Hold on. I want to go over here. Maps BNB. Yeah, it doesn't have a USD. Make sure, guys, they have a chart on TradingView. Because I don't like to do this to you guys where it's not on there. I'm just like, all right, there's not much I can do. Yeah, this thing's in price. I can't do TAA on this. This thing already went off. This thing was at 4 cents like 2 weeks ago, right? And now it's at 31 cents. So yeah, this thing's already gone. This thing's gone like the wind, bullseye, as they would say. In-game items are a big part of video game. So in-game items for games. Marketplace for buying, selling, and sending NFTs. Okay. NFT project. Yeah, but this thing's already going off, man. There's not really much I can say about that. I mean, congratulations if you got in it. That's about the best I can do for you.
Strap up. We're going to the moon. Strap up.
But,
We're
hey,
going to the moon.
Ralph said there's nothing wrong with me. Thank you, Ralph. Thank you, Ralph. I hope not. I hope not. If there was something wrong with me, you know, it is what it is. You know, you can't change what you can't change. Let's see. Kate coin. Vechain's about to pump. Let's see. That's actually Vechain already did pump. You know, Vechain. Everyone wants the whole Vechain now. Everyone wanted to clown Vechain earlier, but now everyone. I mean, not everyone, but it hasn't done too well. But I think it's going to be one of the next ones to go, guys. I am confident in Vechain. You know, I'm starting to get for Vechain. I'm starting to get that little Polkadot vibe where it's slightly undervalued where it should be. Now we've seen Polkadot catch up to where it should be now. So Polkadot's new all-time highs. Great. That was perfect, right? We talked about Polkadot weeks ago. That played out perfectly. Vechain is one of them that I'm expecting to see a big move out of. I think it's undervalued for where it is right now. So in a few weeks, I'm expecting Vechain to probably be at near its highs. I'm not kidding. That's my expectation. Simply not because of any technical analysis, just based off where it is in its trend and where it is where other coins that surround it that have been performing very, very well. So I'm expecting Vechain to have a pretty good next couple weeks. Pretty good next couple weeks, personally. But and also, I mean, if you want to just look at it from the technical analysis standpoint, downtrend of resistance, you broke it, you back tested it, you started to create a head and shoulders pattern, which is typically bearish. But what have we said? When you reject the head and shoulders pattern and you pump off that neckline, that usually can end in a very, very explosive move to the upside. And that's what you're seeing, right? You're seeing that that bounce of where it should have been a head and shoulders, but it rejected it and it's continuing up. So Vechain's looking good, man. Looking real good. I like Vechain right now. Vechain go to $100. $100? Holy crap, man. That's like 100x. I don't know if we go to $100. Yeah. That's a little ridiculous. Come on, Bitcoin. Vechain at 26 cents back in April. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. Creighton said, "What's ADA look like on the charts?" Never mind. Yeah, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. It's this Creighton. It's the same damn thing we've been talking about consistently, man. I mean, ADA is it's still doing the same thing. I'm a crab. I'm a crab. I'm a crab. They call me Cardano. I don't do crap. The only thing I do is go sideways. I am a crab. You are a crab. And I like to eat. I couldn't think of anything that rhymed with crab that was a food. I didn't want to say eat crab because that would just mean he was eating himself. So we're not going to go there. But yeah, that's the analysis for Cardano today. Another crab day for Cardano. I mean, what's new? What is freaking new, right? Crypto Scotty, ADA my number 3. Yeah, ADA is ADA still my number 3? I think it is. I think it is. Pretty sure it is. I loaded up on some other coins. Maybe it's not anymore. I don't know. I'll have to double check. There's some coins in my portfolio that have been going nuts. So I don't actually know, to be honest. I'll have to double check. I don't look at my portfolio too much, you know. I really don't. I look at the charts a lot. Not too much in my whole portfolio though. I tend to like to keep that on the low and look at it every now and then. It makes it better when you look at it every now and then, because like if you go like a week without looking at it and you look at it and the market's been going nuts, it's like, holy crap, man. That my portfolio looks really good. But if you look at it every like hour, it's like, all right, whatever. Fish eat crabs and mind blown. Exactly. Weekly Ren check. I got you. Got you, Jay Cricket. You can check out Ren. Let's check out Ren for J Cricket. J Cricket. Because he's a cricket. You know what I mean? ETH Matic, 8 of my top 3. Nice, man. Bitcoin, ETH, and something else is my top 3. Always be Bitcoin and ETH number 1 and 2. Always be Bitcoin and ETH. I'm pretty sure actually ETH is number 1 now. I think ETH is number 1, but Bitcoin's like right number 2. Like they're like 1A, 1B. They're almost exact, but I think Ethereum's a little bit higher right now because ETH is pushing all-time highs at the moment. They kind of flip-flop depending on which one. I think a couple weeks ago when Bitcoin was at all-time highs, Bitcoin was higher. Now ETH is higher. It depends on, you know, the price action, obviously, but they're very, very close as far as percentage of the portfolio goes. All right, so Ren. We were watching this kind of rising wedge, the little rising wedge on Ren slash rising channel. Looks like it broke down. Hold on, I like this as a channel, to be honest. Like that. Looks like it broke down from the channel. Now, can you get back in to the channel? That's the question. Let's see. Can you get back into this channel? That is the question here for Ren. Let me bring up the EMA ribbon here on the daily. So I want to hold the daily EMA ribbon here. This could be your opportunity to get a bounce, right? When you get the bounce off the daily EMA ribbon, things are usually looking pretty good, right? I mean, bounce, 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 bounce. Now the bounce here got a little bit weaker, right? So what you want to hope for here is another bounce off this. You don't want to break below this because that typically can give you some resistance, right? Doot, 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 right? So as long as you continue to hold this, I think all is good in Ren land. Ultimately, if we zoom in a little bit to see a little bit closer of a picture, other than the daily, let's see if anything's really going down here. Let's see. Let's take this down. It's across. You might have broken a wedgie. Yeah. You might have broken a falling wedge to the upside. Or right. Very, very similar to Bitcoin. Very, very similar. I'm going to sneeze, guys. Hold on. I'm going to sneeze. I'm going to sneeze. Hold up. That was great. I love sneezing. Sneezing feels so good. All right. Falling wedge. Broke it to the upside. Looks like you back tested and are trying to continue up. So very, very similar to Bitcoin. This could be the propeller, right, to bounce off that daily EMA ribbon and hopefully get you back up into the channel. Hopefully, right? I mean, the technical target for this would be upwards of, 118. 118 would be the target out of the wedge, ultimately. So watch for that. Watch for that. That's what I watch for Ren at the current moment, man. Bless you. Thank you, Luke. Appreciate it. Thank you, Will. Let's see. Elijah said, "What's up, Holmes?" Homie. I like Holmes. New token, but interested in Atlas. Maybe take a look. I got you, Elijah. Appreciate that, man. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, let's look at, what is it? Atlas? Have I looked at this before? Well, we'll know. Usually if I don't know, when I open it up and I see lines on it, I have looked at it before, so that's good. Let's see. Maybe not. Wow. Holy crap. What a stable coin. It actually hasn't been out for that too long. But, wow. That was nuts. You got on this. Oh, boy. All right, let's get away from that, shall we? Let's get away from that. So, yeah, ever since you broke this downtrend of resistance right here, you've been going nuts, right? You've been going nuts the last couple days. It looks like this thing's getting ready to go again. No bearish divergence yet, but here's the thing. Your 4-hour RSI went to a 90. You're likely going to create some bearish divergence here, right? Because the chances the 4-hour RSI gets back over 90 is pretty slim. So I'd watch for that. That's one thing I'd watch for there. But I mean, this was a weekly. This was an awesome setup. He had bullish divergence at the bottom here. Bullish divergence with a higher low. I mean, that was beautiful. That was absolutely beautiful. Now the daily has more room to run. So the 4 hour might be showing a little bit of lost momentum because, you know, you are getting some bearish divergence here, like we said. Now, let's just see if this hits. I think it did. I'm going to take it from here. Take it from this move here. Actually, there makes a lot more sense, to be honest. And the technical next target, like you could still move up here intraday. So the technical next target would be 17.2, you know. But you said, like I said, you're gonna have some bearish divergence most likely here at some point. It doesn't have to be now. Daily. I mean, the daily has room to run. So just obviously pay attention to the 4 hour, but the daily has room to run. If you went up a little bit more, I would not be surprised to that next target, man. Would not be surprised at all. What's up, Digi? It's actually not a nasty chart. Oh, nasty in a good way. It's actually nasty in a good way. I actually like this chart, man. This is a coin that looks like it's ready to blow. These are the kind of coins you want to get into, right? The time to get in this was down here when you had bullish divergence on the daily and you made a higher low with a downtrend resistance. And when you came up, right, when you bounced right here, that was the time where like that you could tell that was ready to blow. That was a really good opportunity to get in. If you did, well, it paid off pretty well. It paid off pretty freaking well, I do have to say. Let's see. What else is pumping today? Creighton said, saw a thing where ETH is tracking 2017 Bitcoin perfectly, and Sol is tracking ETH 2017 perfectly, which means huge upside. That's like 15 to 20K ETH. Yeah, man. We actually haven't looked. No, we haven't looked at, guys. Let's look at our Giordano Inu. Well, it's not really Giordano Inu. I just like to call everything Giordano Inu. Let's look at our Ethereum comparison to 2017. All right, let's go look. So let's take this move. Whoops. No, I don't want the curve, man. I don't want no curve. Right now, at least. Let's take 2017 and overlay this over our current market, right? And see what we're kind of looking at. Let's just, obviously it's extended out a little bit, but you guys got the gist. So here's the thing, like we moved up. You can see that, you know, the general movements have been the same, right? Where ETH has come up, right? Come back down, come back up, come back down. Now, obviously, we're moving up a little bit faster than we did in 2017. As far as, you know, upwards mobility, yeah, it's taking us longer time, but the amount that we're going up is faster at the current moment. And, you know, if we were to follow this in some type of similar way, you know, 15,000 would make some sense. If this was to continue to play out in that way, you know, and I wouldn't personally doubt if it did that. Let me actually just a slightly more. Yeah, man. I mean, anyway you look at it, I think 15K is relatively, I wouldn't say likely, right? 15K is a lot, and I think, you know, this makes sense by March, right? I would want to see it by March. I still think this goes into next year, guys. A lot of people think that all of a sudden it's going to end this year. I don't think that this ends this year. I think this goes into next year. I think we're going to see the cycle peak, you know, still in March, April timeframe next year. That's my assumption at the current moment. And I think a 15K ETH by March of next year, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. It's at about, you know, 3.5x from here, which is great. I mean, if you got an ETH, it depends when you get on an ETH, but even if you bought right now, a 3.5x from here is still significant gains that you're not going to get on any other market, you know? Nothing has changed. See you, Digi. I was hoping we got to move, but we didn't, unfortunately. Hopefully we get one tonight. Hopefully we get one tonight. Oh, thanks, Elijah, man. That's awesome of you, dude. That is awesome of you. Let's check out Telos. Telos for DS. What's going on, DS? All right, let's see what's going on with Telos, man. Telos. Let's see. Let me actually. It's slightly bothering me when this is not my teal color, man. I like the teal in the chart, stands out well. I don't know why. I save it as default and it just doesn't save. There we go. All right. So Telos. We make a higher high here. No. Okay. So you had some bearish divergence here, which played out. And you actually didn't get that much of a dip. It was actually how you kind of wanted it in the sense, you know, where the bearish divergence you had here, we had higher highs, lower highs. On the daily, usually you would expect a little bit more of a dip, but you didn't get it, right? I mean, you got a slight dip, not too much, which is exactly what you wanted. Let's zoom in a little bit because the daily there isn't really telling us much. This was a beautiful W pattern here. Kaboom, 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 broke the neckline, came up exactly to the target, pulled back again, all right? What are we looking at now is the question. What are we looking at now? Well, what I'll say is you did break this support. So if you would have, I would have liked this been a back test and a continuation up. The problem is you broke the support. You actually got a big dip down. You got bought up though, right? You got bought up nicely, which is interesting. Very, very interesting that you got bought up like this. Let's see. And I just keep making higher lows too. Right? You just consistently make higher lows on this on the 4 hour. If this can, here's the thing, if this can get back, probably not going to happen in the next hour, which is the 4 hour close. But if for whatever reason, the next couple 4 hour candles, you can get back over 110 and confirm this as support again, that's ultimately what you want to see here, because the structure of the W was to back test. You initially got the bounce, but you just couldn't hold it and you dipped back below. So showing a little bit of weakness there. 4 hour EMA ribbon trying to give you some support there. You got a nice wick below it, but if you close above it, that is beautiful. Let's just see if this can bounce now and confirm this as support. That'll be your ticket to move back up. But at the moment, you know, showing a little bit of weakness, breaking that level there, but I think everything, at least on the daily, looks fine for now at the moment. You know? All right. ETH is 44.81. Can ETH continue up today, guys? Can ETH continue up? That is the question. That is the question. Marshall said XYO in the middle of a breakout. What's going to happen next? XYO in the middle of a breakout? I like coins and breakouts, man. If you see a coin in a breakout, let me know. I like coins and breakouts. In the middle of, it is in the middle of a breakout. It is in the middle of a breakout. Holy moly. Wow. Congrats, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
That one's doing pretty well. It is in the middle of a breakout. Let me see what this is doing here. All right. So 4 hour has some room to run up. I'm just assuming the hourly is, yeah, the hourly is getting pretty high. So here's the thing. Here is thy thing. Hourly still has a room to run. The higher term time frames still have plenty of room to run. So here's the thing. You on a shorter term time frame, like the hourly, maybe you get a slight pullback. It's not gonna be anything crazy because it's the hourly, right? Let's bring this up. You just wicked off the golden pocket zone on the fibs. See that? See the 0.618 just acted as some resistance there, right? Just acted as a little resistance. So here's the thing. This would be a common area for a retrace. Maybe you come back down and just retrace to test the 0.5 fib and also these previous resistance levels here and flip them as support. Okay. And then you go and bounce there, resetting the hourly RSI, you know, and like I said, the higher term time frames still have more room to run. So Nothing's changed there, as we like to say. Nothing has changed, okay? You just, like, you might just have to reset the hourly real quick, which is fine. All right, ETH is going, guys. ETH pushing 4,500. Let's freaking get it on this Tuesday. It's going to be a good Tuesday, man. It's going to be a good Tuesday. It's already been a great Tuesday. Bitcoin's up 4%. ETH is up 4%. Even Link the Slink is up a little bit, man. Even Link the Slink is up a little bit. Let's friggin' go. 44.94. Breathe. And Bitcoin's chilling. But, you know. Hey, as long as ETH goes up, I'm happy, man. I am happy. I'm happy there than a rock at the current moment. The song hits different when ETH is moving. I agree, man. I agree. Trust me, I love BTC. But here's the thing. BTC can move by itself. When ETH is moving, you know the market's bullish. You know the market's bullish when ETH is moving. Obviously, Bitcoin too. But you get my point, right? You get my point. Sometimes Bitcoin can move by itself, but ETH usually brings up some alts with it. So that's good. Can ETH break 4,500 though? Can we break the psychological resistance of 4,500? That is the question. Okay, that is the question. ETH is going, but has anything changed? Nothing has changed, man. We've always been bullish. We've always been bullish. Love your wife, Jordan. Thank you, Crane. Crane. Who owns my wife? Does anyone else own my wife? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Does who actually? I think everyone owns some Ethereum because sometimes you have to, like, whether it's for gas fees or anything. I think everyone probably owns some Ethereum. Does anyone own no Ethereum? Let me know in the chat. Does anyone own no Ethereum? I doubt it, because like for most things you have to own Ethereum. You know, not everything. Obviously, there's some things you don't need to own it for, but for a lot of things you do. Only for gas fees? Yeah, seriously. A lot of people probably own it just for the gas fees. I got you, Ingers. Thank you, Ingers. Appreciate that. Well, I got you in a second. Let's hang out when Bitcoin and ETH might be moving up here. Zero. Nick said zero. Nick, I know you own ETH. Don't be lying, bro. Don't be lying in the chat, man. Seriously. No ETH? Savvy does? I doubt. Savvy doesn't own any crypto, man. Savvy doesn't own any crypto. The only crypto he owns is the bill he gets in the mail from Prime XBT for his liquidations. That's about it. 44.98 for Ethereum. Let's get it. If we can get to 4,500 today, I'll pass out. I'll pass out on stream if we hit 4,500, guys. Seriously. I will literally pass out on stream. I might have to put this on oh yeah, this is going on there, man. It's going on there. Boom. Oh yeah. Boom. All right. I sold all my ETH to buy a wife. Nice, man. I guess you needed to. Mass chart looked perfect to me. All right, what else do we got? What else do we get? All in on ETH? Hey, I guess that's the way to go at this moment, man. Probably not. Don't go all in on ETH. Don't go all in on ETH. Don't go all in on any coin, to be honest. You know? Vechain, 14 cents for Vechain, by the way, guys. 14 cents for Vechain. Let's look at Arpa and auction for Ingers. Ingress. Let's see. Arpa chain. I think that is. Price targets for this. All right. So Arpa. Here's the thing. Let's go to the daily on this. Let's go to the daily. So here's the thing. What you want to see for Arpa is you definitely want to get back over this high because you still have the structure of a possible head and shoulders pattern, right? You still have the structure of a possible head and shoulders pattern if this gets rejected here and comes back down. So I think it's crucial here that you get back over at least the left shoulder height, right? At least 16.4 cents. You get back over that, there's a good shot that you test the highs, which are really your previous highs from back there. So I think, you break 16.4 cents, you got to come up to 19.3. All right, but it's crucial you get back over that for the reason you don't want to create a head and shoulders. I mean, the daily EMA ribbon acted as perfect bounce launch pad here. So let's hope that you can continue to get the price action coming in here and pushing the price back up, because that's where you're looking at. Let's take our fibs real quick. See what else we got there. I think if you can break your high wick, which I think is definitely doable here with the way it's moving right now, 21.6 cents is the next fib target at the 1.618. So that's the level I'd watch there for Arpa if it can break the previous high, which I think is doable. Daily RSI has room to run. 4-hour RSI has room to run. So that's looking good. Come on, ETH. Don't tease us at 4,500, bro. Bruh. Hold on. Where's my guy in the chat? Don't tease us at 4,500, bro. Where's my guy? Bruh. Look at that hat, bro. It's huge. Bruh. Don't tease us, bruh. We're too alpha for that. We're too alpha. We're on our purpose, bruh. Don't tease us, bruh. Look at that hat, bro. That's funny. All right. 44.96. Someone's got PTSD from the May drop. Yeah, I guess that's how it works. Ingrid said auction. Let's do auction. Let's do auction as well, and then we will go back to ETH. Oh, whoops. Auction. See what's going on here for auction, man, at the current moment. So auction, man. What are you doing, auction, with my life? Let's zoom in a little bit. Get a little bit better of a picture to see what we're doing. Any bullish divergence anywhere? No. No bullish div. Man. Things are just trying to curl back up here. All right, let's see. The price isn't really any pattern. Some of the times you'll see these coins and just like, all right, they're just getting ready for some type of move, but they're not in any, I can say, confirmed pattern per se. Now, if you were to just take a straight downtrend of resistance, you could see that, you're right at that right now. You actually got a slight move above it, but you got rejected initially here. So ultimately, you just got to break this downtrend of resistance. I mean, there's been times in the past you've done this and you've had pretty successful moves to the upside. So ultimately, that's what you're waiting for here. If you were to take our fibs, let's see. Yeah, you got a resistance right at the 236 Fibonacci right here, right at the 236. So, in theory, if you can break that, that the 382, which is also a previous high, is 44.45, right? That should be the next level to watch out for in the case that auction can break this resistance and break the 236 fib at the current moment. But You know, other than that, man, I mean, another bounce off the daily EMA ribbon here. That's what you want to see for these coins, is the bounce off the daily EMA ribbon, because that confirms that you're at least in a medium-term uptrend. So auction looking good as well. It's just a matter of breaking this little resistance here, man. For a lot of these coins, that's the name of the game right now, you know?
Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, strap up, strap up, we're going to the moon.
Ah, man. Ah, man. Aave is over 400. Did Aave finally break out, man? I've been waiting on Aave forever, bro. I've been waiting on Aave for a hot minute. Did it finally break out? Ave's not over 400, man. What are you saying? Aave is at 326. You got me excited for a second. Now I'm not looking at Aave because you said it was over 400 and it's not. It's not. It's at 326. You tricked me to look at it. Now we're not looking at it. Strap up or strapped. Jordan is jazzed today. I am pretty jazzed today. You know? Love to see price targets for Anchor. I got you. ETH is making its way back up here. I want to see ETH break 4,500, guys. That's the key for me right now. Bitcoin's trying to make its way up to 63,533. Ultimately, for Bitcoin, we just got to get over 63.8. 63.8 is the level to watch for Bitcoin, as we know. A couple different, it's really on the daily, right? Previous high wick, previous high wick, previous high wick. But they're both so close, man. They keep knocking their heads. We say the more time they knock their heads against the resistance, the more likely they'll break, right? They're just knocking their head against that resistance, man. All right, real quick. Let's do Anchor real quick for my guy, Guasupe. I hope you're saying your name right, man. Guasupe. 4,500. We're almost there. Oh, 400 Canadian. Anchor. Let's see. Yeah, Anchor broke out, man. I know my guy VZH, he's probably not here this morning, but he's been hyping up Anchor. And he knows, Steve knows what he's talking about. Every time I see him in the chat, he tends to be correct. So Anchor doing very, very well. It keeps trying to really, really go, and it seems like it's being held down somewhat because though it keeps having these pullbacks on these wicks, the next day it just ends up going higher, right? So you can tell the buy pressure's there. Seems like, someone's trying to keep it down right now. But, we broke out of this long consolidation pattern that's been going on since March. Finally broke out, and now you're just reaping the benefits. You're reaping the benefits that Anchor is sowing. Okay? Yeah, man. I mean, you could, in theory, I'm not going to do a full-out price target for this, but, did we break this? We got to break this wick. If we can break this little high here, right, I think there's a good shot that Anchor could be moving to at least back up to 16.3 cents, right? So Anchor's looking juicy. Let's see what it does today. If it can close above this little wick here from September 5th, we're going to be looking good. We're looking real good. Easy Peasy said, I hope everyone's portfolio are hitting all-time highs today, as they should be. They should be, right? They should be. I said yesterday, I think if your portfolio is not at all-time highs right now, it's because one of two things. One, you bought a lot of different coins that are struggling right now and haven't caught back up to their previous May, April highs. Or two, even if you did that, you weren't dollar cost averaging in June, in May, June, and July. It's one of those two things. Because even if you bought a bunch of projects in April, if you were DCAing when prices were 80% lower than they are now for a lot of these coins, your portfolio should, in theory, be at all-time highs or within 5% of all-time highs. In theory. In theory. Not everyone's going to be the same, right? You might have bought some, you might have went all in on XRP or all in on Heck. You might be all in on ADA, right? I mean, who knows? Or Chainlink, right? There's some coins that aren't performing as well, but they should be. In theory, where you should have, you know, a good percentage of your portfolio in Bitcoin and ETH, it should be at all-time highs. Yeah, Link's not going off. Bought a bunch of ADA, said Mike. Yeah, ADA's not performing as good as we want it to be right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Buy high, sell low. Which degen coin to buy right now? Degen coin? This channel's not about the degen coins. There's a lot of channels that are about the degen coins. We are not about the degen coins on this channel. We are about the, you know, we'll look at some degen coins, I guess, but, you know, I'm not the type that's going to hype up some degen coin. I don't believe in that. I think it's, I've always said a lot of the, when you see a degen coin that's hyped up on another stream or another video, it's most likely because that guy has that coin, right? So keep that in mind. I don't like pumping degen coins. Even if I do own a low cap coin, I'm not going to sit here and pump it out. All right, ETH just hit 4,500. You want some of this? You want some of this? Come on. Look at the hat here, bro. Look at the hat here. Holy crap. You want some of this? $4,500 for ETH. Let's go. I told I would pass out. I gotta pass out now. There you go. I passed out. I passed out. Hold on. I gotta do another Snapchat, guys. I gotta do another Snapchat. My buddy telling me that ETH won't break. My buddy was had a bet with me that told me that ETH would not break 4,500. So you know what? Screw you, buddy. Hold on. I gotta do it to him. I gotta do it to him. I love doing this, man. Bitcoin 60, actually it was pissing 6,300 for a second. Hold on one second. I gotta do it to him, man. I gotta do it to him. You know how it is, man. All right. Let's see. Right there, bud. Right friggin' there. Yes, sir. Let's freaking go. All right. Hold on. There we go. Boom. All right. I had to do it to him. Dump your buddy? Nah. We can't do that, guys. We don't dump buddies. We don't dump buddies unless they're bad, you know? All right, perfect. Having on Snapchat. We are at ETH 2.0. Yeah, I mean, ETH 2.0, I guess we got to keep pushing back ETH 2.0, man. Let's see. It's all about the petty. It is about the petty, man. Because they don't learn. If you don't be petty, they don't learn. Right? I want my friends / family to buy crypto. Right? I mean, they don't do it though. They don't do it until it's too late. Watch. When ETH is at 10K, they're gonna be like, Jordan, how do I buy Ethereum? Right? They're gonna do the typical,
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin? Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
What I've been telling them to buy, actually, I've been telling them to buy for years, but even since June, I've been telling them, guys, get in now. You gotta miss this second leg. They always want to wait. They always want to wait until it's too late. Call me Dr. Seuss. But they always want to wait till it's too late, man. They always want to do it. Every single time. Every single time. What's up, Ike? Are we doing good, man? 4,501 for ETH right now. Bitcoin's trying to go. Hasn't done it. It did it a little bit earlier, but trying to go at the current moment, man. We're just having a little. We're not doing too much today, guys. We're not really talking about much. We're just kind of hanging out, watching ETH and Bitcoin. I was watching, like I said, I was watching the charts anyway. I said, hey, why don't I just hop on and stream, man? You know, might as well. Wow. Snapchat. Bring out the buff guy and call him DR Juice. What's up, Alex? Don't live stream every morning, you know. I for a while I was live streaming in the morning and at night, and to be honest, like guys, like I like doing this for a lot of times for fun, right? So I mean, you don't want to get burned out. A lot of people do 2 streams a day, and to me, you can get a little bit burnt out doing that. What's my favorite saying, guys? Don't spend all day looking at the charts. It's true. If you spend too much time looking at the charts, you get burned out with crypto, and you don't want to do that to yourself. It kind of takes out the passion, takes out the fun that you have. So every once in a while, I'll go on in the morning, but I like the one stream in a day. It makes it more fun for me, and you know, that's the way I like to roll, man. It's the way I like to roll. At least now. Now, if Bitcoin's pushing 100K, yeah, I'll probably end up streaming twice a day again, especially if there's a lot of price action, right? But you know, the last couple months I've sort of slowed it down in the 2 day streams, you know. It's your time to shine. It is my time to shine, huh? I'm here for the day stream, said Ryan. Nice. Enjoy it today, everyone that held through the summer. True. All right, what is it? 11:30, guys. All right. So ETH is going to just chill below 4,500. Bitcoin 63.5. I might call it a stream for now, just because it looks like you know I think we're gonna have another move today, but it looks like you know, I really don't want to get off because I feel like Ethereum's about to freaking go nuts. I just have that feeling in my Jimborees that Ethereum is about to go nuts. Don't ask me why. I mean, you guys can probably tell why, but it makes me not want to get off. But I also don't want to spend all day on stream. You know, as much as I love doing it, I don't want to spend all day on stream because then you know, then it's just like, you know, it's not as fun. But it's about to go again. All right, guys, it's about to push 4,500 again. We're gonna stay on for a little bit because it's pushing 4,500 again after a slight pullback there. I'm not getting off yet. It's at 4,500 again, bro. How could I get? I'm blurry because I'm going off. How could I get off with Ethereum above 4,500? I just can't. It's my wife. It's my wife. I just can't do it. What's up, Britt? Yeah, Britt, I've been seeing your comments in the comments section. Can't catch them live anymore, I guess, huh? Well, you know, I'll probably be doing more morning streams from now on just because, like I said, as we expect more price action for the rest of this year. What up, JGB? As soon as you tell them not to buy, they will buy. Exactly. Exactly. Like now I've been telling them like, all right, ETH is at 4,500. You know, ETH is at 4,500. It's a little bit more risky to buy now than it was months ago. They don't understand. They can't wrap their head around this. They're like, but the price is going up. What do you mean it's not a good time to buy now? Think about any investment. It's hard to wrap your head, especially if you're new to investing. It's hard to wrap your head around buying low and selling high. All right, here comes Bitcoin, guys. Here comes Bitcoin. Let's go. Good thing I didn't get off, bro. Let's go. Bull flag forming on BTC daily. Nice. Ship to $1. Should I wear my hat like this, guys? 45.05. Pushing 45.07. You know, that's what's going to happen. I was going to get off, and then Bitcoin and ETH are going to start moving. That's the way the cookie crumbles, man. Going to be a good stream tonight? $67,000, you think, tonight? Wow. That'd be pretty impressive. Dancing in the bathroom, someone said. That's funny, man. Teach them in gas price. Yeah. All right. 45. Drunk Bear became a member. What's going on, Drunk Bear? Hope you're doing good, man. Thanks for joining, dude. If anyone wants to become a member, by the way, guys, you can press that join button right down below. If you want to become a member, we got 800 people in here for a morning stream, which is not too shabby since we don't really stream at this time. You guys can hit up that like button. It helps out the stream, get it to more people while we watch Bitcoin this afternoon. You know, if you guys want to hit up that like button, it definitely does help the stream. I appreciate it, guys. I really do. Means a lot. All right, let's continue to watch here. Let's continue to watch. Oops. I did not mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that, guys. Holy crap, man. Man, bro. I didn't mean to do that. Guys, if you just got hit with an ad, I apologize. I did not mean to do that, man. I really didn't. I did that the other day, I think, by accident, too. I didn't mean to do that, guys. I apologize. What's up, the Rosin Hero? Hope you're doing good, man. All right. Rather watch you than BitBoy? Hey, guys. BitBoy makes really good content, right? It's a little bit more different than a content to me. I try to make my streams fun. I try to just, you know, I like to hang out and have fun. His streams are very educational, and you can learn a lot from BitBoy streams. You know, as much as we, you know, we sort of poke fun and as much as we sort of poke fun and, you know, say like, oh, you know, BitBoy, his predictions suck. Here's the thing. BitBoy's predictions do suck. His predictions are awful. Some of the worst predictions in the space. But what I will say is his streams are good. I do enjoy his streams. You know, another guy, not afraid to say what he says, you know, all this fun stuff. But I do enjoy occasionally watching BitBoy's streams. I will say that. He's one of the first guys I watched personally. So I will say that. Very different energy. Very true. You know, he means well too. A lot of people like to hate, you know, we just make fun of his predictions, right? You know, his ETH prediction, his Amazon prediction, right? His September bull market end prediction. It's all in fun and games, but he means well, and I think he's actually a good guy. So I think he comes off as maybe not, but he gets unneeded hate, man. He gets unwanted hate, I think. Bitboy's son is out of the sun of wedlock. Yeah, seriously. Come on, Bitcoin. We know you're gonna break out, bro. Stop teasing us. Just do it now. Don't wait till 12:30. Do it now, bro. Do it now. Someone's vacuuming, man. Guys, if you hear noise, I apologize, man. I might have to end the stream because of noise. You know what I mean? Oh, man. Noise outside, bro. There's noise outside. If that's annoying, let me know, guys. I don't even know if you guys can really hear it, to be honest. Probably can. It is what it is, I guess. ADA #1 stablecoin. Jordan Blurry. Thanks, Blue Ella. Shannon said, glad I found you. Bitcoin, 63.10.
Rant alert.
What is that? Not annoying? I can't invest like this. Oh! Let's go. We're going off. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Hit up the like button. Bitcoin's breaking 64,000. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't wanna party. Don't wanna party. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's hit 500 likes. 500 likes for Bitcoin going off. Let's freaking do it. Let's freaking do it, boys. Java's vacuuming. Java's vacuuming, dude. I guess he is vacuuming. You know what I mean? I guess he is. He had to clean up his Chinese food after last night. Imagine Java vacuuming. He's just sitting in his room going, what is he doing? He's like, oh, this freaking chicken nugget. Get in the vacuum. Get in. This freaking chicken nugget. It won't fit in the vacuum. I'm too fat to pick it up. I'm too fat to pick this up. Oh, man. That's what Java would be doing if he's vacuuming right now, bro. Savvy's big mad. Savvy liquidated again, bro. Stop shorting Bitcoin. Oh, my God, bro.
Rant alert.
Stop shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. Please. Stop shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. If I see one more person shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend, I will squeeze my head with these two strings on this hoodie. Guys, stop shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. Please. Please, I don't want to see you get wrecked. I want to see you guys prevail. Stop shorting the best performing asset of all time. Please. Please. Now, I know that might be Shiba now. Maybe the second best performing asset of all time. Please stop shorting Bitcoin or these strings will be tied and will be pulled harder than they ever have. Okay? Savvy, I'm talking to you, bro. Stop shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. It's not the smart thing to do. Please stop trying to outsmart everyone. Just ride the freaking market. It's not that hard. It's not that freaking hard, man. I'm trying to help him out. I'm trying to help him out at this point, bro. You know? Please.
Rant alert.
Jeez, it's not that difficult. You buy a coin in an uptrend, you sell it higher. It's like it's magical. It's like it's freaking magical, man. I never would have thought. I never would have thought. Fake out? It's not a fake out. This is resistance, man. This is Bitcoin's big resistance. We talked about this earlier. 63,800. If this breaks, oh boy. Oh boy. If this breaks, this is going to be really juicy. But this is the big resistance, right? Previous resistance, and now you're right at that level now. If this breaks, oh boy, we're going to be cooking. We're going to be freaking cooking. Thank you, Britt. It was a good rant. Blue Collar Jose, 4 to 4.5 out of 4 rant. Patrick said 4 rant. Appreciate it, man. I thought it was a pretty good rant, too. That was a pretty good rant. And Bitcoin might be breaking it now. 63.9. 63.9 for Bitcoin. If this breaks on the daily, I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, bro. There's nothing here. Kaboop, kaboop. You know, there's nothing. Nothing. That ain't no fake out, bro. That ain't no fake out. I'll tell you that right now. Whoa, Nelly. And it's breaking it right now. Can it break 64,000? That's the question, though. Can it break 64,000? It's still 64,000 psychological resistance, I guess, right? 64,000 psychological resistance. We got to get a daily close above this. You know, we can wick all we want. We wick tons of times, but we got to get a daily close above those 2 wicks there. You know, ultimately today. That's the goal for today. 64K, guys. 64K just got hit. Let's see. Let's liquidate some of those shorts. Let's liquidate all those shorts, please. I would love nothing more than to liquidate every single short in existence right now. What do you guys think? You got the right hat on, bro? I do today. It's a good day to have the ETH hat on. 45.07. Bitcoin sitting at 63,966. A good day, man. It's a good freaking day. Everything has changed. Heather, I have one. It's not on this scene though, unfortunately. I didn't transfer it over to this scene, which is the morning stream scene, so I don't have it on this one, unfortunately. But it's on the night stream. I'll have to transfer it over to this one. I have one that says nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. But yeah, man. Today's a good day. Today's a good day in crypto land. I mean, my portfolio is probably at all-time highs today. I'm not gonna lie. Probably many people's portfolios is pushing all-time highs today, especially if you got a good amount of ETH and a good amount of Bitcoin. Your portfolio is probably close to all-time highs, if not all-time highs. I'm willing to bet mine is. 63,933. Here comes Bitcoin again, bud. Come on, boy. 64K. Do it to us. $879 people are watching history books live. Yeah, man. We're a lot of these days we forget, man. I mean, like a lot of these days we're like, we're gonna remember this day. Well, we might not. Today's hasn't been anything crazy, but there's many days that we've had the last couple months where like we're gonna remember this, but we already forget. All right, ETH is at 45.12. ETH is dead. ETH is dead. Where's all the ETH is dead people? Come on, bro. Ethereum is dead. I love that, man. All the bobs coming in. Ethereum's dead. Ethereum sucks. Now the Ethereum gas fees definitely do suck. They've been pissing me off lately, but let me tell you right now, guys, Ethereum is not dead. Ethereum's going nowhere. It's going nowhere. Nowhere. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that right now. ETH is actually ahead of 2017, which is crazy. As far as like our fractal from 2017, it's moving up faster than 2017 did. Which is crazy since Ethereum in 2017 went freaking bazooks at this point. So we'll see if it continues at this trajectory. It probably won't. It'll probably come back, you know, to normal, but holy crap, Bitcoin 64.14, bro. Bro. Holy jolly. This is great. This is a great day, man. I love when we stream and there's freaking price action going on. It makes it so freaking fun, man. These are the days you live for. Holy moly. Bitcoin going 64,300, bro. Hit up that like button, guys. Hit the like button. Let's get peeps in here. Let's get peeps in here. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you get up, subscribe. We're here every day, usually from 7 to 10 Eastern Standard Time. The higher Bitcoin goes, the more likely I'm probably going to be going back to 2 streams a day, especially if we're going to start seeing price action where Bitcoin's at all-time highs. You know, probably go back to doing 2 streams every day at some point when that does happen. ETH pushing all-time highs today. Bitcoin just broke 64,000. Let's see where it settles up, but holy crap, man. Bitcoin 64.80 at the current moment. 64.80. I had to move up the damn screen. Pump it again. What's up, Christine? I got the gangster hat on right now because I'm feeling like a gangster right now. I'm feeling like a gangster. Today is a good day. I'm feeling like a freaking gangster. Savvy, man. I feel bad for Savvy. I know we pick on Savvy a lot. I feel bad for him, man. I hope he doesn't lose too much money, bro. I mean, this is where he's going to be liquidated twice. 2 liquidations in a row where he keeps doubling, tripling, quadrupling down on his short. You know, I hope he does okay. I hope he does okay. I don't want to see anyone get wrecked, even though if you bet against Bitcoin in an uptrend, you're gonna get wrecked. I mean, it's not the smartest thing to do. He's been doing it since the beginning of 2020. Doesn't learn his lesson, but I guess I shouldn't feel bad at the end of the day, but I do. I don't want to see anyone lose money. I really don't. I mean, that's just kind of unethical to want people to lose money, I guess. I guess if you're a bull, you want bears to lose money, I guess, in the grand scheme of things, but we'll see what happens, bro. My man is going to be on the streets. Hold on. Someone's face. I'll call her later. I'll call her later. Stop FaceTiming me, bruh. I'm busy. Bitcoin and ETH pushing all-time highs, man. Oh, not Bitcoin, but ETH all-time highs. Bitcoin 64,000. And guys, we did it. We broke that resistance. That's the level we wanted to break. Now, tonight close is going to be big. Tonight's close is going to be really big. Can we close above 63,800? That's going to be the big telltale sign. Can we close above that level? If we can't, that's a confirmed breakout. You guys can see the absolutely beautiful inverse head and shoulders here on the daily. Now you're going to break out. Now you're going to break out. And like we said, there's not much resistance here. There's really not much. You had a daily close right where you are right now, approximately. But other than that, man, I mean, you got nothing to the daily close. At least 66,000. So fun stuff. Fun stuff. Fun freaking stuff. Call Savvy. I don't have Savvy's number. You know. Exactly. Yeah, probably true, Daniel. Probably true. Get it, boys. I thought he went bullish. Did he walk it back? He did. He went bearish again. I haven't watched, like I said, guys, I haven't watched Savvy in like 2 weeks. Maybe not 2 weeks. Actually, right, probably 2 weeks ish. I haven't really been watching. I haven't really watching too many other YouTubers. You know, I'm going to be honest. Like, I was for a while. I was watching so much crypto content, and I was like, dude, I got to take a break from watching so much crypto content. It's been a little bit refreshing lately, which is really, really nice. Really, really nice. I kind of like coming up with my own ideas too, not getting clouded with other people's judgment. You know. 64, 182. Bitcoin's going again. Bitcoin's going again. Sure. Oh, let me go back down. Make sure I didn't miss anyone. Drunk Bear became a member. Risen Hero also became a member. Happy QQQ. Should I have 1,000 USD? Should I buy XRP or Crow? Out of those two, man, that's a tough decision. I recently took money out of Crow and put it into Ethereum. To be honest, and XRP, we know my feelings about XRP. So here's the thing: you probably have, you know, it's a tough one, man. I don't right now. I don't love either of those coins, to be honest. But here's the thing: I think XRP probably has XRP probably has a little bit more upside, but here's the thing: if you don't want, if the SEC lawsuit doesn't get taken care of, Crow probably goes up more. It's all personal preference, man. It all depends. That one's tough. That one's tough. If I had to choose one of those, I'd probably go Crow. I know, as much as Crow is a meme kind of at this point, so is XRP. You know, it's a tough one. Option C, anything else? Yeah, I would go with anything else personally. But hey, he wants one of those two. Do what you do, man. Don't take my advice. For all I say, I could not like XRP, and XRP go to the moon, right? And I hope it does. For all the XRP holders out there, I hope it goes to the moon. Just not my favorite coin. That's all. Jerry D said, could you pull out a measurement out of ETH bull flag we broke out of, please? Bye goblins. ETH pushing 45.20, bro. Let's go, baby. Vechain looks primed. All right, let's see. So that's doing good. Measurement out of ETH bull flag. ETH bull flag. Let's see. Oh, we're talking about this one? Measurement out of ETH bull flag. So I won't draw the full thing, but basically this. Extrapolate at the breakout point, which is right here. That puts ETH's breakout at about 4,870. 4,800 is the technical breakout there for ETH, which is quite nice if you ask me. Quite freaking nice if you ask me. So you're probably not gonna get there today. You're not gonna get there tomorrow. You could. You know, I'm not gonna say never, but it's more of a, I guess, long and not longer term, but maybe a couple days, couple weeks down the road, you know. BTC, can you look at Luna? But thank you, Jerry. Param said BTC Moon. Can you take a look at Luna and Luna BTC? Luna and Luna BTC. Take a quick look. Luna. Luna. Yeah, so Luna's in this like upwards, they're just in this upwards channel. You had one little fake out there, but it's just really just respecting this sort of upwards channel, right? You just recently had a bounce off the top. I think it's likely that this goes up and tests, at least comes up and tests that 49.19 level, which you got a couple different resistance points on. But I think you're at least coming back up here in the daily to test that level. If that breaks, well, if that can break, if you can finally break this level, which kept you down twice back here in October, probably going to come up and test it up the top. Test the top of this resistance, which matches up with the fibs. If you take a look at where the next fib level is, right? Get rid of that. If you look at where the next fib level is, like $69, you extend this out, right? It's probably going to meet up probably where you would probably test this, like $67 eventually. So, I mean, you've been following this since August, just up, down, up, down, up, down. You could be coming up here like $69, no pun intended, eventually here, you know? But then ETH, Luna, BTC, we'll go back and check out Bitcoin and ETH, guys. Let me just take a look at this real quick. Luna, BTC. Luna, BTC, here's the thing. What you want to do here, we just take a look at this simply, right? Possible left shoulder, possible head, and possible right shoulder. If this gets rejected, you could see a move on Bitcoin. And here's the thing. I still expect Bitcoin to outpace altcoins in the next month or so, right? Now, it's been a little bit different the last couple of days to the last week or so, but I don't think anything has changed. I still expect Bitcoin to outpace alts, right? So this could break you down. It could be a little bit head and shoulders action where maybe you could come back down and test this level here about 0.382 potentially on the Luna Bitcoin pair. I think you're going to see that next big move for Bitcoin, and it's going to outpace alts for sure. Guys, look at our wedge, bro. Do not count out our wedge. If I hear anyone in the chat meme my wedge again, my wedge will not become a meme. Okay, we have on this channel. Okay, now sometimes I might not be right, but what have we said on this channel every single time, bro? We have called right, the end of the dip through the wedges on every single major dip Bitcoin has had since June. Every single one. We've looked at the wedge, we've called the breakout, and it's pumped up out of the breakout on every single one. I don't want to hear the memes. I know people love the wedges. No one really memes the wedges. But guys, this is played out perfectly. We're going up after the back test, the breakout, the back test, and now we're going up to 67,000. Played out perfectly every single time. Every single time. Now, one day it won't. One day we'll get fooled and it won't, right? Because you can't expect everything to happen so perfectly every single time. But, you know, at least right now it's playing out perfectly, man. Britt says, love of wedges. Hairline is still at a wedge. Yeah, I got the hat hair right now, man. I gotta shower after the stream here, but got a little bit of the hat hair. Britt said, why is Phantom doing a fake out? Why is Phantom doing a breakout? Or fake out, you said. Let's see. Well, Phantom's moved up the lot. You gotta remember, Phantom has moved up a lot since July. It was at 17 cents in July, right? So here's the thing. We looked at this as sort of a rising wedge, right? And the rising wedge, the opposite of a falling wedge, right? It's typically bearish. So here's the thing. You broke down from this. You came back up, back tested as resistance. If you can get back into it, this could end up being a fake out. You know, a good fake out, right? The opposite of the fake out you hear here on the 4 hour, where you came up, and you dropped below. The daily, if you can get back into this on the daily, that's gonna be very, very good. But as of right now, Phantom could be in the need of a little bit of consolidation. It's done a massive move. You know, it's gone up. I mean, in theory, it went up 2,100% in a few months, right? That's insane. So a little bit of a consolidation for Phantom would not surprise me, to be honest. It also wouldn't be surprised to me to see it go up, but just be prepared. I always say in crypto, be prepared for the worst, or expect the worst, and hope for the best. Worst, you consolidate for a little bit. Best, you keep pumping, right? At the end of the day. Fortnite Daily said, love the stream. Can you check Harmony and Convergence? We can. And Felipe said, IOTech's about to break out soon. We'll check out those. Let's see what Bitcoin does here, man. Bitcoin's looking juicy. Bitcoin's looking real juicy. 64,150 at the current moment. Thank you, Mike. I'll always be me, man. Whether people like it or not, I'll always be me. A lot of people don't like... I wouldn't say a lot of people don't like me. I would say a lot of people don't like my style. But I like my style. And like I said, I've always said, it's my stream. I'm going to do what I want on my stream. If you don't like it, well, like I said, there's plenty of other streams out there. But I'll tell you right now, they don't have as much fun as we do on this stream. I'll tell you that right freaking now. I'll tell you that right now. 64,170. ETH's chilling at 45.16. Let's go look at Fortnite Daily. I haven't played Fortnite in so long, man. I gotta boost up some Fortnite. I used to be pretty good back in the day before everyone started to become like a pro. Everyone was like building like crazy, bro. I can't keep up with that crap, man. I can't keep up with that. All right, let's look at Harmony. Harmony. Let's see. Can we still come back down and test? Let's go to a shorter term time frame here. I know I see Bitcoin breaking out, guys. Trust me, I see. I mean, this looks like just to be a bull flag as well. There's so many coins just forming these bull flags, man. Now, I guess you could argue, like, if you really wanted to take an argument, you could also argue this is forming some type of descending triangle as well. Though, you know, where you have a touch at the bottom, lower highs. But I see this as more of a... I think this is where you're going to bounce. I really do. You had bullish divergence on the 4 hour here, right? You can see you had lower lows on the closes, higher lows on the RSI. Perfect, right? And then the bull flag for Harmony. You know, if you were to take, say, conservatively, take it... let's be a little bit more conservative. Let's take it from here, okay? Just to be conservative. I'd rather be conservative than overly optimistic, as I say. Breakout target for that would be about 39.6 cents for Harmony. So, another bull flag I'm seeing from a coin that's been bullish. Nice consolidation, cooled off the 4 hour RSI. Could be ready for another run to the upside. And then convergence. Let's look at convergence real quick. Bitcoin's at 64,230, guys. Hold on. I'm going to do convergence real quick for you, Fortnite, because Bitcoin's going off right now. So, let's see convergence, man. So, convergence. This looks like a classic, just a classic consolidation getting ready for another move. You can see lower highs, higher lows. You know, this thing's coiling up. Things coiling up for another move here. Will this be the point where it breaks? That is the question. That is the question that we all must ask ourselves. Is this the point where it's going to break? Man, it's tough to say now. It's tough to say as of right now. So let's wait to see. I think at this point, you're at least going to come back up and test the top here, right? 4.1 cents. Let's see if you break it, though. That's the question. All right. All right. Bitcoin had a move up to 64,300. Then another little pullback there. Blueprint pump music. Lunchtime Bob Meatloaf. All right. Let's do IOTEX, guys. I'll stay on for a little bit longer. It's tough to get off when Bitcoin's pumping, man. It is. Here's the thing. Like, even if I get off and do something, I'm going to be staring at my phone anyway. So it's like, it is what it is. All right. IOTEX. Let's see. What's going on with IOTEX, man? If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. We're usually live from 7 to 10, as we like to say. Morning streams will be coming back more often. As the price starts to get higher and there's more price action. There's more to talk about when there's more price action, because when Bitcoin's pumping, the patterns change like 3 times a day, right? I mean, the price action changes 3 times a day, so there's more stuff to talk about. So we'll probably be doing 2 streams a day more often. Maybe not every day, but more often. All right. So IOTEX. Man, what is this doing, man? What is this doing? Give us a sign. Give us a sign that you're alive. Looks like the hourly broke out. of a nice little, yeah, I mean, this is the setup you want, right? Symmetrical triangle. You broke out to the upside. Finally, right? You broke up to the upside. Back tested. And now you're just trying to get the juice. This one's not getting that full-on juice that we want to see, right? Not the full-on juice we want to see, but still a breakout nonetheless. Now, what would our target be for this? Eventually, right? It might not, like I said, this is not going to happen overnight, right? These are medium-term targets, right? These might take days to weeks to play out. 8.3 cents is the target there for IOTEX. If that does continue up, which puts you, funny enough, right at your previous local high here from October 6th, pretty much. Right about 8.3 cents. So that's what I watched there for IOTEX, man. But IOTEX looks like it already broke out, to be honest. And that's one that you've been watching for a little bit. Love the juice. Love the juice. All right, guys. I don't want to stay on here all day because then I'll be on here at 7. I'll be on here like literally in a couple hours. Literally in a couple hours. So I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I gotta go grocery shopping and go to the gym and all that fun stuff. So I will catch you guys later. Enjoy the price action. Looks like, you know, ETH might be cooling off a little bit after a pretty nice move today. Bitcoin might cool off for a little bit. I mean, we've just had some pretty nice pumps for Bitcoin and ETH. So if we do cool off a little bit, don't freak out, right? I mean, we got to remember Bitcoin was at, you know, just yesterday, Bitcoin was at 60,500 and now it's at 64,000. All right. So I'll catch you guys later at 7. Hopefully Bitcoin can wait till 7 till we get the moonshot, as we like to say. But if we don't, hey, well, I'll see you guys later anyways. All right. Fun stream. Catch you guys later. Enjoy your day. Don't stare at the charts all day. You're going to hurt your eyes and your brain, and it's going to become mesh and, yeah, all that fun stuff. All right. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.